Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Brigade Lakecrest, which is located in KR Bangalore, a project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to do the project overview. In this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing on the exact land parcel where the construction work will start very soon. And about the marketing office is over here. So this is the sales gallery where you'll be getting all the information and details of the project. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will get shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed in total 6 acres of land parcel with 4 towers. With all the towers of 2 basement ground plus 21 floors, having studio apartment 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus study apartment with 3 BHK, 3T, 3 BHK plus maid room premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located on Old Madras Highway Road in Battarahalli, KR Bangalore. So let me tell you that this is the Old Madras Highway Road, and this road on my right hand side will take you towards Avanahalli and on my left hand side will take you towards Indiranagar. About the further connectivity of the project, so Garden City University is 1 kilometer away from the location of the project, with Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is 3 kilometers away, KR metro station is 5 kilometers away, and Phoenix Mall is 7 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now let me tell you that this will be the main entrance of your project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project is coming up with luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, senior citizen area and many more. Now let's discuss the super built up area in this project. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with studio apartment 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus study room, then 3 BHK 3T, 3 BHK plus maid room premium residencies. Now, so studio apartment is starting from 493 to 882 square feet super built up area. 1 BHK 775 to 814 square feet super built up area. 2 BHK 1315 to 1512 square feet. 2 BHK plus study room is 1568 square feet. 3 BHK 3T is 1784 to 2010 square feet. 3 BHK plus maid room is 2153 to 2179 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual location with the model flat. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So there are 2 types of booking going on, like the non-bankable and the bankable one. So for the bankable one, you are going to get the additional offers and discount. So if you want more details about the booking process, you can visit our website www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Brigade Lakecrest, which is located in KR Bangalore, a project by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.